All right, today we are walking through Liberdade, one of the most unique neighborhoods in all South America. Liberdade is Sao Paulo's most famous Japanese district. Happens to be a Saturday, so we got the market and it is busy as hell, so we are gonna check it out.
Oi, 25, mãe. 25.
Pra não sair. Foi o Lula que mandou falar.
Interesting fact you may not know is that Sao Paulo has the second largest Japanese community in the whole world, following only Japan, believe it or not. This area is home to the, as we walk these streets, you're going to see Japanese lanterns, Asian markets, Buddhist influences, much more. As well as Shantytown. This neighborhood feels completely different than the rest of Sao Paulo, as you can see all the Japanese influences here. Sao Paulo itself is absolutely massive. 11 million people, more than 22 million in the metro area. One of the largest urban areas on earth. Oriental Gate.
Agora deu, né? Agora é só
In case you couldn't tell, this Saturday market is a madhouse. I think everybody's down here buying Funko Pops and stuff. Head massagers. Japanese immigration happened very heavily in the early 1900s when large waves of Japanese immigrants arrived in Brazil beginning in 1908. Many coming on coffee plantations after slavery had been abolished in Japan, or in Brazil, excuse me. Over time, many of these Japanese families moved here. There's an estimated 2 million Japanese living in Sao Paulo state, which would be roughly 9%. Look at how cute those things are. Should probably grab a couple of those. Let's get off this main drag here. It does not look any better over here. The name Liberdade means liberty in Portuguese, but historically this area has been associated with executions and public punishment during the colonial era. So beneath the anime stories and sushi restaurants, there's actually a very deep and complicated history tied to São Paulo's past.
Ô, Gabriel.
Quem vai comer?
Ô, bicho aí, ó, meu povo!
Esse daqui da esquerda. Esse aqui, vamos lá.
All right, guys, we're going to take a little look around the market here, and then we're going to call it. This is too wild for me. That's my biggest questions are, if you are in Sao Paulo, will you come here? Will you check out the Japanese market? All kinds of goodies to buy. Dragons, dragonflies, caterpillars. You want it, we got it. We got Della Linda Madre. I think with that, guys, we're going to call it on the Japanese community here in Sao Paulo. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll check out some more areas for you. Thank you.